maths class and today we'll do time. We measure time in terms of days. A day is divided into 24 equal parts. Each equal part is called an hour. An hour is divided into 60 equal parts. Each part is called the minute and the minute is again divided into 60 equal parts, each being called the second. So, one day में होते 24 hours, 1 hour equals to 60 minutes and 1 minute that is equals to 60 seconds. Next is changing of one unit of time into another. एक यूनिट से दूसरे यूनिट में कैसे चेंज करते हैं? टू चेंज द आर इंटू मिनट मल्टीप्लाई द गिवन नंबर ऑफ आर बाय 60. सो आर से मिनट में कन्वर्ट करना है, दैट मीन्स वी विल मल्टीप्लाई बाय 60. टू चेंज द आर इंटू सेकेंड मल्टीप्लाई द गिवन नंबर बाय 3600. टू चेंज द मिनट इंटू सेकेंड, मिनट को सेकेंड में कन्वर्ट करना है, दैट मीन्स मल्टीप्लाई द मिनट बाय 60. टू चेंज द सेकेंड इंटू आर डिवाइड द सेकेंड बाय 3600. To change the minute into hour, divide the minute by 60. Clear? Next is 24-hour clock time. It is necessary to make children familiar with 24-hour clock time. Many departments like railways, airlines, etc. use the 24-hour clock time. The table given below show the relationship between 12-hour clock time and 24-hour clock time. In 12-hour clock time, if time is 12 midnight, 24-hour clock time में हम कैसे रीड करेंगे? 2400 hours और 0000 hours. 2 AM 24-hour clock time में कैसे रीड करेंगे? 0200 hours. 2:30 AM it will be read as 0230 hours. Like this we'll read the time in 24-hour clocks. Next is steps. In 24-hour clock, there are no dots to separate the hours and minutes. Same way, अगर 12-hour clock में क्या है? 10:10 AM हो रहे हैं, that means 24-hour clock में से कैसे करेंगे? 10:10 यानी 1010 hours. Like here, the time is given in 12-hour clock and 24-hour clock. Clear? Thus, the time 1630 hours in 24-hour clock time means 16 hours 30 minutes. In 24-hour clock, the first two digit है जो first key, that is from left shows hours and last two digits show minute. So first two जो है that shows hour और last की two है that shows the minute. From the above table, we concluded that 12 midnight is denoted by 2500 hours or 0000 hours. 12 noon is denoted by 1200 hours. 2000 hours is read as 2000 hours. 1450 hours is read as 1450 hours. Now we'll take an example. Change to 24-hour clock time. 3:25 AM है. So 24-hour clock time में क्या हो जाएगा? 24-hour clock time में हो जाएगा 03:25 AM. हम हटा देंगे AM PM जो भी मेंशन हटा देंगे और hours लिखेंगे. So that is equals to 03:25 hours. Clear? Next is exercise 10.1. Change to 24-hour clock time. 4:20 AM. So 24 hour में लिखेंगे 0420 hours. Clear? Next is clock with 3 hands. In some clock, apart from the hour hand and the minute hand, there is a third hand called second hand. कई क्लॉक्स में आपने देखा होगा, ऑब्जर्व किया होगा कि 2 hands जो आर हैंड और मिनट हैंड के अलावा एक और हैंड होता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड सेकेंड हैंड. सेकेंड हैंड मूव्स द फास्टेस्ट, सबसे ज़्यादा तेज से मूव करता रहता है. इट मेक द फुल राउंड इन 1 minute एंड द टाइम इन विच इट मूव्स बिटवीन 2 सक्सेसिव स्मॉल डिवीजन इज कॉल्ड 1 second. 60 सेकेंड किसके इक्वल होता है? 1 minute के. एंड 1 minute दैट इज इक्वल टू 60 सेकेंड. एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं हम यहाँ पे. कन्वर्ट द फॉलोइंग इनटू मिनट. 8 आवर्स को मिनट में कन्वर्ट करना है. एज वी नो in 1 hour 60 minutes. So 60 into 8 that is 480 minutes. Clear? Next, some more examples are given here. Practice all the examples. Next, exercise 10.2. कन्वर्ट द फॉलोइंग इनटू मिनट्स. 9 आवर्स को मिनट में कन्वर्ट करना है. दैट मीन्स 9 hours. As we know, 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. So 9 into 60 minutes, 540 minutes. Clear? Next is addition and subtraction of time. Add 3 hours 23 minutes and 5 hours 27 minutes. Adding minutes. सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे, minutes को add कर देंगे. 7 plus 3 that is 10. 0 1 carry over. 2 to 5 and 1 5. ठीक है, 2 to 4 and 1 5 हो जाएगा. So 50 हो गया. Now move to the hours. 5 plus 3 that is 8. So time क्या हो जाएगा, time total जो हो जाएगा ऐड करने पे 8 hours and 50 minutes. Clear? Time is 8 hours 50 minutes. Next, more examples are given here. Practice all the examples here. Next is exercise 10.3. Add the following: 5 hour 35 minutes and 4 hour 15 minutes. So 5 hour 35 minutes. R का column है and this is minute column. 4 hour 15 minutes इसमें add करना है. ऐड करेंगे 5 plus 5 10, 0 1 carry over, 3 plus 1 4 and 1 5. Then move to the R column. 5 plus 4 9. So that is 9 hour 50 minutes. That is our answer. Clear? 9 hour 50 minutes. Next is calendar. We already know that 1 year that is equal to 365 days. February 28 days. 1 leap year means once in a 4 year. Every 4 year में क्या आता है, leap year. When February is of 29 days, मतलब leap year में total कितने हो जाएंगे, 366 days. 1 year 12 months. 1 year equals to 52 week. 1 month equals to 30 or 31 days. 2 weeks that is equals to fortnight. 2 week का time क्या कहलाता है, fortnight. 1 week equals to 7 days. Next is counting years. In ancient time, there was no calendar. People kept track of time, looking at the sun, moon, star as season. The modern calendar was recorded after Jesus Christ was born. Means Jesus Christ born हुए थे, उसके बाद record किया गया. Hence, all dates after his birth came to be known as Anno Domini or AD, which means after the birth of Christ. So AD का मतलब क्या है, after the birth of Christ. Anno Domini. Time in the years is also counted like 10 years that is equals to 1 decade. 1 decade क्या होता है, that is equals to 10 year. 100 year means 1 century. Clear? 100 years की क्या हो जाएगी, 1 century. Now example लेते हैं. 1 century, first century, 1 to 100 year. Second century means 101 to 200 year. Fifth century 41 to 500 year and so on. Example लेते हैं. The struggle for the independence of India lasted from 1857 to 1947. In which century did it begin and end? So start कब हुआ था? Start हुआ था 19th century में, end हुआ 20th century में. Next is exercise 10.4. Fill in the blanks. A leap year comes in 4 years. Every 4 years पे एक year क्या होगा? Leap year. So practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is highlights. The 24-hour clock tells us the hour in 4 digits. The first 2 digits shows hour and the last 2 digits shows the minutes. Time before 12:00 hours, that is AM, and time after 12:00 hours, that is PM. The time before the birth of Christ is known as before Christ or BC. The time after the birth of Christ known as Anno Domini or AD. 1 decade that is of 10 years and 1 century that is of 100 years. Next is chapter test, multiple choice questions. Take the right answer. Convert the following into minute. 8 hours को minute में convert करना है, as we know. 1 hour equals to 60 minute. So 8 hour equals to 8 into 60 minute. So that is equals to 400 480 minutes. So 8 hour equals to हो जाएगा 480 minutes. So here we end the chapter. I hope आप सबको चैप्टर अच्छे समझ में आ गया होगा. Now you have to practice it.